Certainly. Here's a simple recipe for making cinnamon tea with milk. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, dairy or non-dairy like almond, oat, or coconut. 2 cinnamon sticks or 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon sweetener of your choice, honey, sugar, maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional for added flavor. Ground nutmeg or cinnamon powder for garnish. Instructions: pour the milk into a saucepan and place it over medium heat. Add the cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon to the milk. If using cinnamon sticks, allow them to simmer in the milk to infuse the flavor. If using ground cinnamon, whisk it into the milk until well combined. Stir the mixture occasionally and let it heat up. Avoid boiling, aim to reach a gentle simmer. If desired, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. You can also sweeten the tea at this point with your preferred sweetener, adjusting to taste. Once the milk is hot and infused with cinnamon flavor, around 5 to 7 minutes, remove it from the heat. Strain the cinnamon sticks if used, or simply pour the tea into mugs if using ground cinnamon. Sprinkle a pinch of ground nutmeg or cinnamon powder on top for an additional touch of flavor and presentation. Serve your cinnamon tea with milk warm and enjoy. Feel free to adjust the cinnamon and sweetness levels according to your taste preferences. This recipe provides a comforting and flavorful cinnamon-infused tea with the creaminess of milk, perfect for cozy evenings or a relaxing drink. Thanks for watching.